Hello, this is Quinn.molloy with MassDOT.gis, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Road Inventory Municipal Data Viewer, or the RIMDV tool in GeoDot. So first you're going to want to navigate to your GeoDot portal. You don't need a GeoDot account to access the RIMDV tool, but you can get to it through there, so you don't really need to sign in or anything, but it's helpful if you do. And if you don't know how to get to GeoDot, you can find it through the MassDOT planning website, or you can go on, you can type the link directly into the address bar, and that's massdot.maps.arcgis.com. So that's massdot.maps.arcgis.com. And that'll take you to the GeoDot homepage. So once we're here at the GeoDot homepage, you want to click through this little ribbon here with all the stuff that we have available for you to use, and just click right on the roadways icon. So right at the top, Municipal Data Viewer. And once you click there, it'll bring you through to this link. And I think the Municipal Data Viewer is extremely easy to use, but it helps to watch a video to see how it's done. So I'm just going to start with Abington because it's the top of the list. And when you press Abington, this little street selection button will come right up. And it'll give you, these are a list of all the reports that you can generate using the Road Inventory Municipal Data Viewer. So my favorite one is the jurisdiction table, so we'll just go to that. And now all of the roads for the whole town will show up summarized by their length and ownership. So right, you see this total miles, and it doesn't have all of our jurisdiction categories, but you can get more detailed information if you'd like from some of the other tools. But it'll tell you which of your roads are city owned, which ones are MassDOT owned, if they're unaccepted, or if they have another classification. And this button right here will just this download as CSV will download your table directly into a file that's compatible with Microsoft Excel. So that is pretty easy and dynamic. It'll also, if you have the table filtered to only show a couple entries, should only download those entries. So let's go through a couple other tables. So you don't even have to go back or anything. You can just click on street selection again, and then pick a new report. So let's say that that we want to get all streets is all the information for every road in Abington. So it breaks it up by road segment ID, and it has every data category that we have publicly available right there for you to look at. So one thing you can do is just pick, if you want just one town road, so Main Street, you know, just, oh, I guess Abington doesn't have a Main Street. So let's click that out, Adams Street. So if you want all the records just for Adams Street, you can just type it in there and it'll clear out the rest of them. And over here on the side, if there are other pages of data, you can just press previous or next to go through them. And you can remove your sort by just clicking that X right there, and it'll get rid of the filter. So these little arrows here too are a good way to reorganize your table. If you want to reorganize by jurisdiction, you can click this here and it'll show you these are all the unaccepted values. Also, if you don't know what a value means, some of them are coded, like the jurisdiction field here. You can just hover over it and it'll show you what it means. So zeros are unaccepted. Find like some unknown values. Let's find another one. This is city accepted. So yeah, you can just hover over that and it'll show you what it means. Facility type, the like. So you can go through this information, make sure it's correct. If you see any discrepancies with what this table shows and what you know to be true in your town, you can just get directly in contact with us. I'll leave my contact information for you at the end of this video, so you can just call me directly if you see anything that should be corrected. Another big thing with that is if you're in the jurisdiction table, like we were previously, and you see something that's wrong and it should be different if the ownership is changed, again, just contact me directly. So that is it. That's the Road Inventory Municipal Data Viewer. And thank you for watching this video.